Welcome to Pocket Ronnie, where we save your mathematical life.
Okay, now we're going to be using our compass to bisect an angle. So take your compass. Every angle should have a vertex. You can always make your point a little larger so that you have that, so you can distinguish where your vertex is. Put the point of your compass on the vertex. Your compass should be spread out far enough or small enough that your lead is going to cross one of the rays of your angles. Okay, so here's how you bisect an angle, how you draw a bisector for an angle using your compass. Put your point on your vertex, then draw an arc across one of your rays, and then also go across the other ray. Do not change the distance of your compass. Once you have the distance set on your compass, do not change it. If you want to draw a complete semicircle around both lines, that's exactly what you're doing, okay? You basically need to have an arc drawn across both angles. I am not changing the distance of my compass. I'm going to leave it right there so you can see. Basically, this arc that intersected this ray creates a point right there. And then this arc that intersects this ray creates a point right there. Now you take your compass, put your point, the point of your compass on the point of intersection on one of the rays, and now you need to draw a arc out here in the middle of your angle, somewhere out here in the middle of your angle. Then take your point of your compass and put it on the other point of intersection on the other ray and draw another arc out here. These two arcs should intersect. You need to draw them to where they intersect. Once you've done that, now these two arcs that have intersected their intersection creates another point. So you have that point and your vertex. It only takes 2 points to make a line. So you have the point of intersection of these two arcs out here plus the point of your vertex to draw a line. And we're actually going to draw a ray. That's a ray. And this ray has now become the bisector of this angle. In other words, let's just say that the whole angle before was 60 degrees. Okay, let's just say that was all 60 degrees and we bisected it. Bisecting an angle means we're cutting it in half. So now it means that this small angle would be 30 degrees and this small angle would be 30 degrees. And if you measured these angles, they should add up to be the full angle. Okay? One of the things to remember when you are bisecting angles, your picture should look like, one of my students called it fireworks. Looks like there's fireworks in the air, okay? You're going to have a crisscross of arcs out here, then this arc will cross here, and this arc will cross here. So that's what you should always have on your picture every time you bisect an angle. Alright, let's do another one. Let's do 5B9. So we have this angle here. The first step is put the point of your compass on the vertex. Your compass should be far enough out or close enough together that you are going to cross the ray. You need to make an arc across this ray, and then you need to make an arc across the other ray, keeping your point on the vertex. Do not change the distance of your compass ever. Once you get the distance on your compass for bisecting an angle, leave it the same distance. Okay, so I'm not changing the distance of my compass. Now I'm going to put this arc intersecting this ray formed a point. So I'm going to put the point of my compass on that intersection right there. Then come out here in the middle of the angle somewhere and create an arc. Now I take the point of my compass and put it on the other intersection point of that arc and ray, and then come out here and draw an arc. The main thing is these two arcs out here need to intersect somewhere. That's the important part, because the intersection of these two arcs creates a point. There's a point where those intersect. Now I can take that point and connect it with the vertex, line it up with my straight edge, draw my ray, and now I have bisected my angle. So in other words, this angle should be equal to that angle because I have bisected them. I have cut the angle in half. And my picture looks like fireworks. So I am good. This is what you should have every time you're bisecting an angle with your compass. An arc over each ray, and then 2 arcs out here in the middle of your angle that are intersected.